No credit history means lenders see you as a risk. You pay higher rates for everything. Here's how to build a strong credit score from scratch in 6 to 12 months. Bad credit costs $200,000 plus extra over a lifetime. Higher rates on everything. 720 plus score qualifies you for the best mortgage, car loan, and card rates. Landlords, employers, and insurance companies check your score too. Secured card requires a $200 to $500 deposit as collateral. Best options: Discover It Secured, Capital One Secured, OpenSky. Use it for small purchases only, gas or one subscription. Ask a parent or trusted person to add you to their old account. You inherit their credit history. Instant score boost. You don't need to use their card or even have physical access. Pay the full balance every month, never just the minimum. Keep utilization under 10%. Use $20 on a $200 card. Set up autopay so you never miss a due date. One miss equals major damage. Month 1 to 3. Score appears, typically 600 to 640 range. Month 6. Score approaches 680 to 700 with perfect payment history. Year 1 to 2. 720 plus with consistent habits. You're now in the top tier. Free credit score tracker and financial goal planner at funbiz.gumroad.com. Download for free. Link in description. New tips every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. If this helped you at all, please hit the like button right now. It tells YouTube this video is worth showing to more people. And subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss a tip. We post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.